Hey guys, so this company called NICETOWN, they sent me this blackout curtains to review, and I just got it in and I really do like it. I chose this color for my living room because I thought it was just like subtle and it's not too loud or anything. But the coolest things is that it's got these like little stars, so I feel like if the sun hits the curtain, it kind of like shines. So let's try it on and put it on. This is how it looks, and this is why I say that I think the sun, like when the sun comes out, it kind of like I don't know, what is it, like shadows into the living,
like sunshine pierce through the little.
I feel like these would be nice. These are thick too, like the quality's thick. I can't wait. All right guys, so this is the curtain. We just put it up. We just put the rod up and everything. I think we might have to move that rod just a little bit.
Yes, yeah.
But this is how it looks. We're gonna turn all the lights off to see if we can see, like, I don't know, some stars. So let's give it a go.
2,
3. Oh, you can. There you go, guys. So you have some stars glittering. I think that's pretty cool. I'm just gonna turn the lights on now. So yeah, all right. Let us fix it a little bit and then we'll show you the aftermath. All right guys, so this is how it looks once we put everything away. I'm gonna show you how it looks in the morning. So yeah, I can't wait. Hopefully like the sun pokes through to these little stars. So I can't wait to see how it looks. But this is how it looks at nighttime. All right guys, so this is how it looks, let's say like without the curtains. I'm gonna show you how it looks when the curtains are put together. This is them when they're closed. I absolutely love them, you guys. I'm so in love with it. I feel like it's so nice to see like these little stars and stuff, and it's in the living room, so it makes it look really nice. And if you literally turn off all the lights, like how cool is that? It looks so cool. It's so cool. Oh my god, look at that little Hello Kitty. That is such a nice top. Oh, that is so cute.
Look at a boba shirt with little Ewoks.
Freaking love that. Cute.
That's a picture. That's a lot to it. He's on the two. He's on the other person.
Oh my god. Look at this one. This is sick. I love this. Coraline.
That's cool.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Oh.
This one, you remember her? Eliza Thornberry.
Yes. That's the one that, oh my god, me and Natalie were laughing about Bonnie. Oh my god. That is so... How much is it?
$80.
$80.
I'll get you that. Like the baby.
This is so beautiful.
Actually, I think it is. We got drenched. We literally ran. We thought the car was going to be closer than we thought, and no, it was not. So we were like running. It is pouring. That is crazy. It like literally came out of nowhere. But they were like, let's just go.
Hey guys, so I'm here at my friend's wax place. I'm getting waxed today, which I'm not excited about, but yeah. So it has been obviously hot here in Vegas. It's cooled down just a little bit, which I like, but I am gonna slow down on the apartment videos because I do have
some pretty cool news that I can't wait to share with you guys, and I'm just so excited about it. But I can't wait to see my friend. She's pregnant. I am so happy for her, you guys. I cannot wait for the baby shower. I'm so excited. She is pregnant and she is showing now, so she looks so beautiful, and I'm just like super happy for her and her family, and you know, adding on another addition. So I cannot wait for her and her baby to come. They're coming soon. So I'm just so excited for her. She is my friend and she is also my waxer, but she is my very first friend here in Las Vegas, and we've stayed really close friends for almost 5 years now. So I love her. She's so down to earth, and she's my wax girl. So and we talk like no tomorrow. She does my facials, she does my wax. She's so good at it, and she's just an amazing person. You know what I mean? Like, she's just inside out, just beautiful person. So I'm just grateful to have her as a friend. Let's go though. This one's nice. This one's even nicer. It's a brand new Michaels. That's so cool that they have these. Look how cute those ones are.
Look at this.
That is so cool. Dun-dun-dun-dun. 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 I love these houses. I feel like they're so cool.
There's like little props to like make a little house on there.
That's sick. I wonder. Ooh. Look how cool that is. Ooh, look, I love how they have the spooky.
I wonder what Poppy would do if we were like.
These are cool.
Grabs it by the neck.
Wow.
Little bones. Ew.
What is that?
Flies.
Oh.
What would this be for?
They're like a little ornament.
Just decor.
I would say so. I'm getting some clips. They got the cutest things here, you guys. Like, look at these pens. They are so freaking cute. I love this. So cute. Don't overthink it. Salute. Alright guys, this is what I got at Sephora and Ulta. I ended up getting these because I'm going to mix it with my water. I ended up getting this baby one because I absolutely love that product and I actually don't have it. So I was like, you know what, let me get the baby one. When I come back, I'll get the full one. The clips I got, and then I needed a sharpener for my makeup. I got this here, I'm going to take. And then I got my full-size makeup wipes. Also, I needed a regiment, so I ended up getting this little small travel one. Obviously, I'm going to stay in there for a little bit, so yeah, I'm excited to try this little one right there, the number 3. All right, let's get going.